Hi everyone! In this video, we will show you how to download Instagram Reel videos on your iPhone. First of all, you need to install the shortcut application on your iPhone. Once it's downloaded, now open it. Here, tap on this Yes Download option. Next, open your Instagram application on your iPhone. Here, tap on this video icon at the bottom. Now, tap on the three dots at the bottom right side. After that, tap on the We Have Moved Things Around option. Next, tap on the Share icon at the bottom. Here, tap on the Yes Download option, and this will download your Instagram video. Once it's downloaded, now open up your Photos application on your iPhone. As you can see, your Instagram video has been downloaded. Now open up any Repost app on your iPhone. After that, again, go to the Instagram application and tap on the three dots at the bottom right side. Next, tap on the We Have Moved Things Around option again. Once done, now tap on the copy link. Then, go to the Repost app again, and here, tap on this video. After that, tap on the Repost button at the bottom. Now here, tap on the Save Video option and then allow the app to save the video. So this is how you can download Instagram Reel videos on an iPhone. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.